Welcome guys to another episode. Today we are going to walk together a beautiful colonial home with great features. It's only 2 or 3 blocks away from the heart of the city. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, swimming pool, high ceiling, 1,700 square feet. Yes, of a beautiful concept, beautiful taste, beautiful design. So thank you guys for watching and following us on YouTube. Thank you, Betty, who's behind the camera. You know what? Every time people wants to come up to Granada and stay here for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, one of the biggest things is, where can I stay? I want to have and experience the colonial taste of the city. As you know, Granada was founded in 1524, and one of the biggest features the city has is its oldie homes. Colonial houses typically has over 10, 15 feet high, and this is the case. Another thing about the houses in Granada is how they have this beautiful open concept of the corridor, the courtyard. Now the kitchen, guys, you're gonna love it because it has a combination between a updated modern concept, your counter, uppers, you know, all your appliances perfectly set it, and the way they connect also with this window, you can see through it and then catch the view from the dining area and the beautiful swimming pool. Again, I like the way they connect these doors because they catch all the breeze coming from one street, which is 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 and 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗍𝒻 as well. So it's a corner property. They have the benefits that they can have a cross ventilation, keep this place always fresh and cool. Walking from the kitchen, I get into the area where I can have the dining area, which is perfect for a beautiful time, especially if you have a meeting and if you have on your vacation, sitting and jump into that cozy and invited swimming pool, which is called actually a dipping pool. Now, we have a corridor that crosses from the main entrance all the way here to the end. You will see another door, which is hidden, the laundry area. Perfect. Everything's filled, you know, organized, clean, and well laid out. One of their 2 bedrooms is right here. This is actually the main suite with a nice view from the swimming pool and the garden, fully equipped. Your bathroom right here. Love these doors. Beautiful size doors, huge. And then, you know, everything's just perfect located. Water heater, water time backup system, and a laundry is also part of the feature that you have in this beautiful colonial home. And look at your side bed, nice. This is a nice touch too with this metal frame, keeping the same texture of the colonial oldies concept. You and your family and friends and your guests are going to say, I love to stay in Granada because the house is fully equipped and ready to go. So if you're thinking to invest in a house in Granada as your vacation home or as your passive income unit, I'm going to share with you all my contacts, like my phone number and email, and we're going to have ready this house in all the social media. So I want to say thank you to Betty, who's been filming this house with us. I hope you enjoy this episode today because it has good potential for you and the future investment. Thank you for following us on YouTube. I want to see you in the next adventure.